Well, parents, today let's talk about your child's relationship with food. We've always heard about the saying, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. We've also heard of the saying that you are what your food is. So, today let me inform you all that if you watch your child being sluggish, being overactive, complaining of headache, complaining of joint pain, complaining of stomach upset, complaining of not being active, and if you see that your child is obese, also if you see that your child is unable to focus, or if your child is unable to take a decision, doesn't have the right thinking process, all this, parents, boils down to the food that your child is eating. Hello parents, this is Dr. Sagareeka Bhatia, the author of the book Just Expressions, available on Amazon. Thank you for liking, sharing and commenting on my YouTube video on parenting. Now let me inform you all how is this happening. It's happening because initially we were consuming the crops that were being grown during the Industrial Revolution. During the Industrial Revolution, it was a cash-rich crops, that is more of soya, more of wheat. And also we consumed crops which were grown in abundance close to the coastal areas, like more of rice. People living near the coast were consuming rice and things like this. But even the agriculture has also gone through various revolutions, that is green revolution and currently the organic revolution. So much so, even our children have also gone through that kind of revolution because our genes have mutated over a period of time depending on the environment that we've been exposed to. If our ancestors were consuming wheat, and even currently we are asking our children to consume the same food that our ancestors were consuming, that's not going to work for the child. Also, please try and understand is that our generation has changed because marriages are now intercultural. Marriages are inter-region. So a person eating rice in the coastline in Konkan, Goa, Maharashtra is married to a person in the north, which is a wheat-eating family. And when they are married, the offspring which is born, what does the offspring eat? We can't be forcing our culture, our eating habits on them because they have a complete different structure. Their gene structure is a mutated gene structure of the West and the North. Similarly, people from Assam marrying a Keralite marrying a North Indian, all of this together is a blend, is an absolute blend of cultures, and hence the food habits also change. So parents, it's very, very, very important for you all that you recognize this, and unless you don't recognize, you will be blaming the child unnecessary for not being good, being naughty, not focusing, not taking the right decision, not having good interpersonal skills, and not being good in studies. So parents, please understand this. Take your child to a good nutritionist and get a right nutrition pattern for your child. And thereafter, you will see your child being more happy, being more bubbly, and being more successful in life. So let food be your medicine. Thank you very much, parents.